holidays, and I get really excited this time. You might think it's because of gifts, but you'd be wrong. It's because of eggnog.
I figured out a really awesome eggnog recipe. We both like it, and I'm still kind of perfecting it, but you know, it's good as it is. But it does need one thing. And the one thing that most people normally add is bourbon or rum. And well, we don't make our own bourbon, though I do appreciate bourbon. We don't make our own rum, though we do appreciate a good rum. Instead, we make mead. So I decided, why not add some mead to our eggnog and see how this goes. I've never actually done this before.
But because it's eggnog, it's the most beautiful, wonderful creation known to man. So it can't be just any humdrum mead. No.
This is actually my traditional mead that I make, the very simple beginner mead that we actually French oaked. So it's like a little extra, you know, but that French oaking adds the vanillins and the tannins from the oaking process, making it a little bit more whiskey-like. So I'm gonna put some in. Now, normally use like a shot for maybe a glass or so. This is mead, it's not quite as strong. This one is 12%, so I don't know, good glug, something like that ought to work. We don't need no spoons or anything. Just stir that sucker around. Smells good. Go ahead and take a taste, babe. Let me know if it needs more mead.
That's really nice.
That is surprisingly good. I really didn't know quite what to expect because normally the bite of the alcohol is what adds to the experience. And in this case, the flavors come through.
French oak was definitely the right choice.
Wow, that's so good.
Yum.
I need more.
For science.
Yeah, that makes that eggnog that much better. Makes it a truly holiday drink. I have a score. You have a score? 1, 2, 3, 15.
10,000!
Just fooling around. We just wanted to make something for you guys for the Christmas holiday season. We don't tend to make a lot of videos for this kind of holiday, very themed, because, well, you know, brewing is brewing pretty much 365 days a year. But we thought, I made this eggnog on our other channel, and hey, why not spike it? So, happy holidays to all of you and yours from City Steading.
Let's go.